Welcome to this video on PWM dimming, an important topic for anyone who spends a lot of time looking at screens. We will provide a simple technical explanation of how it works and why it can affect your eyes. PWM, or pulse width modulation, is a common method for controlling screen brightness. It rapidly switches the display's backlight on and off. Your eyes perceive this rapid pulsing as a dimmer image. Brightness is adjusted by changing the duration the backlight is on. High brightness means a longer on time, while low brightness means a shorter on time. This cycle repeats hundreds or thousands of times per second. The rapid flickering caused by PWM can stress the eye muscles. This may result in headaches, eye strain, or dryness, particularly in sensitive users. These symptoms often worsen at lower brightness levels. The frequency of the pulse is critical. Low PWM frequencies, below 300 Hz, result in a more noticeable flicker. High frequencies, above 1000 Hz, reduce eye strain. Some modern displays are now using DC dimming instead. DC dimming is an alternative method that reduces brightness by lowering the voltage. This effectively eliminates the on-off flicker associated with PWM. It is particularly effective on OLED displays. PWM is commonly found in various devices. These include smartphones, especially those with OLED screens, as well as laptops, tablets, monitors, and even LED lights. If you are sensitive to PWM, you may experience symptoms such as eye strain, irritation, or headaches. Difficulty focusing and general fatigue after using a screen are also common indicators. To protect your eyes, try to keep your screen brightness above 50%. Choose devices with high PWM frequency, or use DC dimming if available. Also, remember to take regular breaks. In conclusion, PWM is a widespread method for brightness control, but low-frequency PWM can lead to discomfort. By choosing PWM-friendly devices and managing your settings, you can protect your eyes.